Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be creating a beautiful bronzy rose makeup look, and for the eyes I decided to go with this eyeshadow palette from LASplash. It has the perfect shades that I want to use to create my today's makeup, and I was thinking to go with this shimmery rose color and with this one, which is a matte color, bit rosy peachy beige color, so it's something like in between, and maybe go with amber, this bronzy color. Okay, so let's just jump right into this makeup, and I will prime my face using this primer from Milk. It is a stick one. I am loving this one. It's so easy to use. You know, you just go all over your face and then you can blend it using your hands. I use it every time, and as well when I want to do like a no makeup look, or actually even when I don't want to wear any makeup, then I will grab this prime stick, and you know, it will blur the imperfections that I might be having that day. Okay, so as always I will go with some eye cream. This is just optional, you don't have to do it. Next I will go straight to the contour, and I will take NYX Cosmetics Wonder Stick, and I will go and use the darkest color to contour my face. This has been like my favorite contour product. Again, easy to use, has like this perfect shade for my pale skin. I just love it, and this is the light to medium. So for concealer I'm using Superstay by Maybelline, and I'm in the shade Ivory, number 5. So I'm gonna do a few dots like that, and on the bridge of my nose, between my eyebrows, and just a bit around here on my mouth, just to, you know, highlight a little bit this area, and maybe here around the nose as well. For foundation I'm using this one by MAC, and I'm in the shade NC20. Now I will go right to the blush, and I'm taking this one by L'Oreal. This is a liquid one, and it is a BB blush. It has like a perfect texture. I don't know, I'm just like literally in love with it. So I like to firstly use my finger to you know, apply it on my cheeks. So this is how it looks like. So I'm gonna go up here with it, and then I will take a brush and blend that in. Just love this natural rose color that it has. It's a perfect blush, you know, for spring, for summer. If you want to do like a natural makeup look, you know, like this no makeup look. So beautiful, so natural. See, has a beautiful rosy color. So I'm gonna move to the other side, do the same thing, just a few dots, bringing it up to my temples. I'm going to use some pressed powder, and I'm taking this one by Essence. And I will use a bit of that on my forehead, down my nose, and here on the cheeks, just to mattify everything. Now let's move to the eyes, and I will be priming my eyelids as usual using this eyeshadow stick from Laura Mercier, and I'll go just like that. And I like to use this concealer brush from Real Techniques. Now for eyeshadow palette, I will be using, like I said, this one by LASplash, and I will go and use these two colors. And I was thinking as well, amber, this beautiful bronzy color. So I'm gonna go and start with the matte color, Sandstone, and I am using this brush from BH Cosmetics Studio Pro number 6. So this is going to be like a transition color, and I'm going right into my crease and blending it towards my brow bone. I want to give some definition to my eye. Now I've decided to go with this light brown color all over my eyelid, and I'm using a flat brush like this one from Zoeva, and this is in the number 234. So I'm gonna go and get some of this color and go right on my lids. And now with my finger I will take this rosy shimmery shade and apply it on my eyelid. And on my lower lashes I will apply this bronzy color. So now to complete the eyes I will be applying some mascara, and yes, I will use some false lashes, but just here on the outer part of my eyes. And for mascara I will be using Man Eater from Tarte. Okay, so now let's add some highlighter, and I'm taking this one by Catrice, and I'm gonna go here on the highest points of my cheeks. This is like a crazy highlighter for the drugstore product. It kind of reminds me the one by Baker Cosmetics. You know, the one that they had with Jacqueline Hill, the champagne pop. This is how pigmented this highlighter is. I mean, just look. I am obsessed with this highlighter. So beautiful. Now the last step to complete this makeup look will be to do the lips, and I will be combining two products. Firstly, this lip liner from Essence, and then on top I will go with this lip gloss from Dior. And this is the final look. I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you like my content, and I do hope to see you on my next video. Bye.